Level up your gaming experience. Let's dive into the essential TapTap settings and unlock the app's full potential. First, open the TapTap app on your device. You'll find it waiting patiently among your other apps. Now, to access the settings, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the home page. Next, find the gear icon for settings. It's your portal to customization and feature control. Tap on it to continue. Here's where the magic happens. Let's explore the settings options one by one. You'll likely find options to manage your account, notifications, language preferences, and more. These are straightforward, allowing you to personalize your preferences by simply toggling or selecting options that best fit your needs, and the descriptions will give you a good hint. Dive deeper into options like download management, which includes the capability to configure downloads, adjust language settings until you are able to comprehend everything. Be aware of where you download games and how you manage your installations for a better user experience. TapTap offers detailed software information. Be aware of the file size and the version before downloading. Remember to regularly check the settings for new updates and features, as the app evolves and brings you better gaming experiences. That's all for today's settings overview. Happy gaming!